Let's see how our keyframe operator works. If we don't have any assigned action or if the strip is not in tweak mode, the operator is disabled. Start tweaking the strip and the operator will be enabled in its regular state. If we change the current frame outside the strip's frame range, we'll note that the keyframe operator is still enabled but in its warning state, indicating that we are outside the strip's range and helping to avoid that common mistake. If we move the current frame to the beginning, we'll see the operator return to its regular state. Let's test the second strip. You can see the indicator is active, showing in real time whether we are outside or inside the frame range. We can also easily change the interpolation mode for newly inserted keyframes with this menu.